In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Kick a Lucky Block here in Roblox. It's going to be the ultimate guide so that you can excel here in this game. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually what I'm doing right now, and that's building kick power. Essentially, you just need to go ahead and go to the weight shop, get yourself a good weight, and build up your kick power. This is going to be the most important thing here in this game because it allows you to kick further. Once you go ahead and build up your kick power a little bit, run into the little safe zone area, and you need to go ahead and just hit kick. And it's going to pull up this meter that looks something like this. The higher you are to the top, the better you're going to go ahead and kick. So for example, if I hit now, that's a pretty good kick right there. So this then kicks that lucky block, and obviously depending on your kick strength, it might go far, it might not go as far. You essentially then turn into whatever like brain rot it is from the lucky block and run from, the tsunami coming in, similar to like the Escape the Tsunami Roblox game. But essentially just go ahead and do that, take it over to your house over here, which can be upgraded into multiple floors, and just place it down just like so. And then that's going to start collecting cash for you, which will allow you to then either upgrade the brain rots to have those brain rots make you more cash by just selecting it just like so, or spend that money on better weights or run upgrades. Run upgrades essentially makes you run faster. It's worth doing whatever you have the opportunity to. But that's really the entire basis of the game. You can also take your brain rots and sell them over here if you want to go ahead and just get some easy money. But if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.